Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good morning. So in today's class, we'll learn about about lines. What we have started in the in the previous classes, and we'll also discuss about the old assignment. What I have given you, and most of you have submitted. So the thing is that let me remind you those who have submitted the assignment on time, and as well as those who have been regular in submitting assignment, they will be rewarded with good marks. Okay, fine. So let us start with today's class, where we'll be learning with the first of all the assignment what I have given. So what was the assignment? I'm just briefing it in this way. Just see the assignment answers. What we can do is that does that matches with your solution or not. Just go through that. Okay, fine. Okay, so in today's yeah, as per the question, it was given in such a way that there are two lines, as I think it's AB and PQ. Oh, these two lines are one is one both lines intersect each other at 90 degree, as well as there some one line is above another line, and they are in front of BP, so and so. So let me summarize the question. The question was something like this. Consider this to be the your BP, and this to be your HP. So, as per the question, they have stated that there is a one line over here. So I don't know how much distance is this. So I'll not go. So again, they also stated that another line is there. It's just above. It's just above the red line. But given these two lines are intersecting at an angle of 90 degree, but they are not physically intersecting. So what does that mean? That means if you see on the from the top, if you observe from the top view, it will look like this. And this will look like this. They are at 90 degree. 90. Now, if you observe the same from this way, so what you can see, as you know, I think as per I remember, I don't remember how much this value was given. So let me assume the value. Let us assume the value, and we can proceed. So just rectify me the value if you remember the value also. So as we remember that it was P, it was Q, it is A, it was B. It was 5 centimeter, and PQ line was 15 centimeter from HP, and AB was AB from HP, it is 10 centimeter.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो.
sir, the length of the PQ is 15 centimeters. Sir.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Length of the PQ is 15
Length of the
PQ,
PQ is
15 centimeter,
okay.
and it is 7 centimeter above from HP.
Okay, okay. Just very good. Just give me the value. Just let me share the screen again. It went off. Just give me the time. Just give me a sec. Okay. So this rectify me. What was the value? That PQ was 15 centimeter. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Next, what was given next? You once someone said that 7 centimeter. What was that? What was that for, value? কে বলছিলে 7 সেন্টিমিটার? একটু আমাকে ডেটাগুলো দাও। পি কিউর মধ্যে পিটা কত কত সেন্টিমিটার সামনে আছে সেটা বলো। কত সেন্টিমিটার সামনে আছে?
Sir, 1 second, sir. I am watching the question, sir.
Take your time.
5 centimeter.
5 centimeter. And what is the PQ is above what, at what it is above HP?
7 centimeter.
7 centimeter.
7 centimeter. And is AB?
Sir, PQ and AB both are 10 centimeter.
Sir. PQ and AB is both 6 centimeters, sir.
Both are 10 centimeters. Okay, fine.
AB from horizontal
10 centimeters. Just give me a time. PQ is equals to AB is equals to 10 centimeter. Fine. So can anyone tell me how much is the height of AB from HP? What was the height?
5 centimeter.
It was given 5 centimeter. Fine. I just need this one. 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Now, the question stated that, let me get back to the question. The question stated that PQ and PAB are same length, line of same length. So what happened is that AB and PQ intersects at 90 degree, or it was also said that it intersects at 90 degree, but stated that AB is 55 centimeter above HP, and PQ is 7 centimeter above 7 centimeter above HP, and point P is 5 centimeter apart from BP. It was given like this. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Was that given in the question? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what happened is that this is the drawing. So now observe it. What I have done. AB is a line. AB is a line which is 5 centimeter above HP. PQ is a line which is 7 centimeter above HP, but P point is 5 centimeter from VP. Maintaining, we know that AB and BP intersects, virtually intersects. It doesn't actually intersects, is virtually intersects at an angle of 90 degree. So what does that mean? That means that if you see from the if you observe it from the top, you can observe that this is P, this is Q, and this is A, and this is B. Fine. Now if you observe it more, it will intersect in this certain way, but if you observe it more precisely, you can see, if you consider this to be VP and this is HP, you can see that, let me draw the line. This is P, this is Q, this is A, and this is B. You can see, don't go to the length because I have not drawn with scale, so it will not be same. It is also observed that they intersect at the center. That means you could observe that this point to this point it will be 5 centimeter. So it is all good for us. Now what happens is that it's also stated that P is 5 centimeter in front of BP. That means from here to here it will be 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, fine, we have completed over here. Next, what is happening is that mm, we have to put light. We have to again put light from this manner, from this manner, from this manner, from this manner. We'll be putting light from this manner. So what will happen? This line will turn to be a point. Again, I am telling this line will turn to be a point. You will observe it as a point. And this AB, you could see the reflection over here. So what will happen? Let me show you. The reflection of AB can be observed in this manner, and P and Q you will observe as a point. Right or wrong? Right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So,
sir. Right.
so how it will look? Let us draw the same. That will make very more sense. This, provided this to be the HP and this to be the BP. Fine. Fine. So what you can observe is a line AB, AB, and a point here, that is nothing but PQ. You have to write in this manner. Now it's not the end, you have to write the value. So what you will write from here to here, it is 5 centimeter, and from here to here it is 7 centimeter. Is that clear? What will be the projection on BP and what will be the projection on HP? Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Next is that if we draw this thing in a single page, let us draw in a single page. What will happen? We could see in this, we'll see like this, something like this. Okay, it's not enough place to draw actually. Just I have to draw. Just a sec, let me okay. So as you can see, it will be the enough space to drop. That's why I have just rotated this one, because you could actually understand what will happen. So if you draw a line in this manner, fine. This is stating this to be BP and this to be HP. So what you can see?
Sir, can I show? Sir, can I show one thing? It will be okay or not?
Yes, you can show. So what will show? You will show your drawing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Just a sec. Let me turn off my sharing. Just show your screen. Okay, fine. You are always allowed. It's inverted. Just make me something. There are some errors. There are some errors.
Okay, sir.
Bit error. There is a bit error. You have done a very good, but you have bit error. So let me show you the error. What is the error? Now, okay, I have not shared the screen. Just give me a time. Start sharing. Start now. Okay. So just get back to the thing that most of you have tried to do. It was the most good thing from you people. So what you can see why I'm doing this, because this will give you a sense how it works actually. Fine. Okay. So that would be better if I could clean the screen. So if you consider a line like this, so what will happen, this is HP and this is BP. So you will find a line like this, you will also find a line in this way. So what will happen, this line, the name of one of the line will be, let me name the line, this will be AB and A, B, and this will be P. Now you have to remember, as I have told you, the intersection is done from the midpoint of each line. That means from here to here it will be 5 centimeter, as well as from here to here it will be 5 centimeter. As I have told you, both the length of both the lines are 10 centimeter, and as well as you have to also remember from here to here the distance, from here to here the distance is 5 centimeter. Now what would be for BP? What will be for BP? For BP it will look like this way. A, B, and a dot, that is nothing but your PQ. So what is PQ? Now from now onwards you have to do one thing. Let me tell, I'm showing you, you all have to do this one, but after telling this one. So what will happen now, from here you can see that if you take a projection from here to here, sorry, let me take this one. So from here to here it is given, if I am not wrong, it is given at just give me a sec, let me see. Okay, it is given at 5 and it is 7. Okay, fine, that would do. Now what we'll see, this will be again 5 centimeter, and from here to here it will be 7 centimeter. Is that clear? Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, in HP, there is in PQ is having 5 centimeter gap, and line AB also having the 5 centimeter gap. Then why it will intersect?
আমি বুঝলাম না কথাটা, what does that mean? তুমি কি বলতে চাইছো সেটা বলো, কি বলতে চাইছো?
Sir, in HP, that line AB is 5 centimeter from HP, and also that PQ line is 5 centimeter. Why it will be intersect?
Oh, it is just
the distance between.
No, just notify me. Just tell me that okay. I didn't remember the question, so I just thought that it is only given that that P and Q intersects at 90 degree, and then after so and so. So just a sec. Let me see the question. Just give me a time. Just let me see the question. Just give me 1 minute. 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Let me see the question. Just give me. Okay. Graphics. Classwork. Line position 3. Okay, it is given that line. Okay, as per the question, it is given that line AB and PQ are 10 centimeter each, but the lines intersect at the middle point of each AB is 5 centimeter above HP and PQ is 7 centimeter above HP. Point P is 5 centimeter in front of VP. Intersection is 5. Okay, it's the same question. Correct. It's the same question. What I have shown you is it would be this one. Now tell me your problem. বাংলায় বলো আনসার কোশ্চেনটা, আমি বুঝতে পারছি না তুমি কি তোমার প্রবলেমটা কি হচ্ছে সেটা বলো। বাংলায় বলো তোমার কোশ্চেনটাও একটু বাংলায় বলো, তাহলে আমি বুঝতে পারবো। একটু বলো, বাংলায় বলো।
স্যার বললাম এই যে AB is 5 সেন্টিমিটার HP, তাহলে ওটা HP তে তাহলে 5 সেন্টিমিটারই হতে হবে না?
না না না
AB
না না, আমি তোমার কথা বুঝতে পেরেছি। তুমি তুমি জিজ্ঞেস করছো, তোমার মাথায় এটা আসছে, আমি বুঝতে পেরেছি তোমার মাথায় এটা আসছে যে এই যে 5 সেন্টিমিটার, যে 5 সেন্টিমিটার আছে এগুলো কি কেন আসছে, তাই তো? এবং এটা এইখান থেকে এখানে 5 সেন্টিমিটার হওয়া উচিত, তাই তো তোমার মাথায় আসছে?
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ কারেক্ট,
আচ্ছা।
আমি বুঝতে পেরেছি, আমি তোমার প্রবলেমটা বুঝতে পেরেছি। ঠিক আছে, ব্যাপারটা এরকম মোটেই না, ব্যাপারটা মোটেই এরকম না। কোশ্চেনটা আবার আমি আরেকটাবার তোমার জন্য বলছি, আরেকটাবার বুঝে নাও। একটা এইটা আমরা ড্রয়িং করে নিই, এটা আমার HP আর এটা আমার BP। বলা আছে, বললো যে দুটো লাইন আছে, ঠিক আছে? একটা লাইন হচ্ছে এরকম AB, অ্যানাদার লাইন এটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে একটা গ্রিন কালার নিই, আরেকটা লাইন আছে PQ। বাট দুটো লাইন আছে, দুটো লাইন ইন্টারসেক্ট করে সেন্টারে, দুটো লাইন ইন্টারসেক্ট করে সেন্টারে, একটা সেন্টারে। বাট ইন্টারসেক্ট বলতে এটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি ইন্টারসেক্ট করছে না। কেন ইন্টারসেক্ট করছে না? এখানে কোশ্চেনটা, এখানে ব্যাপারটা বুঝে নাও। কারণ কি, এখানে বলা আছে যে লাইন AB হলো লাইন AB এইচপির থেকে 5 সেন্টিমিটার উপরে আছে, আর লাইন PQ এইচপি থেকে 7 সেন্টিমিটার উপরে আছে। ক্লিয়ার? এটাও বলা আছে যে ওরা যখন ইন্টারসেক্ট করছে একটা 90 ডিগ্রি অ্যাঙ্গেলে করবে, মানে কি এখানে একটা 90 ডিগ্রি ফর্ম করবে। আরেকটা জিনিস বলা আছে যে পয়েন্ট পি বিপির সামনে একটা 5 সেন্টিমিটার ডিস্টেন্সে আছে। বুঝতে পেরেছো এখন এখন সমস্যাটা কি কি দেওয়া আছে?
ইয়েস ইয়েস স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, আবার বলছি, এবি আর পিকিউ দুটো লাইন, এবি আছে 5 সেন্টিমিটার উপরে এইচপি থেকে, অ্যান্ড পিকিউ ইজ 7 সেন্টিমিটার ফ্রম এইচপি। এটা বলা আছে যে ওদের লাইনটা ভার্চুয়ালি ইন্টারসেক্ট করে অ্যাট অ্যান অ্যাঙ্গেল 90 ডিগ্রি। আর এটা বলা আছে পি লাইনটা এইচপি থেকে 5 সেন্টিমিটারের ডিস্টেন্সে আছে, এই জিনিসটা বলা আছে। নাও তাহলে আমরা কি করব, আমি আবার দেখব যে উপর থেকে যদি আমি একটা লাইট ফেলি তাহলে দুটো শ্যাডো আসবে। কি শ্যাডো আসবে? এবির জন্য শ্যাডো আসবে এরকম এবি, আর পিকিউর জন্য একটা শ্যাডো আসবে সোজা এরকম, যেরকমটি আমরা এখানে দেখতে পাই, যেরকমটি তুমি দেখতে পারো। এবির জন্য শ্যাডো আসবে এটা, আর পিকিউর জন্য শ্যাডো আসবে এরকম। নাও এখানে বলা আছে যে এবি আর পিকিউ যখন ইন্টারসেক্ট করে ওরা সেন্টারে ইন্টারসেক্ট করে। কেন? আবার বলা আছে এবিটা 10 সেন্টিমিটার আর পিকিউটা 10 সেন্টিমিটার। সেন্টার কিংবা মিডলে যদি ইন্টারসেক্ট করে তাহলে উপরেটা 5 সেন্টিমিটার হবে, নিচেরটা 5 সেন্টিমিটার হবে। ভুল না? কারেক্ট? রাইট না রং? রাইট না রং?
Sir, right.
রাইট রাইট স্যার।
এবি যদি 10 সেন্টিমিটার হয় তাহলে এটা এদিকে হবে 5 সেন্টিমিটার, এদিকে হবে 5 সেন্টিমিটার। রাইট না রং? রাইট না রং?
রাইট স্যার।
হ্যাঁ। নেক্সট পয়েন্ট কি দেওয়া আছে? পি পয়েন্টটা ভিপির থেকে 5 সেন্টিমিটার ডিস্টেন্সে আছে। কথাটা বুঝতে পেরেছো? মানে এটাকে আমি রিপ্রেজেন্ট করছি, এই গ্যাপটাকে আমি রিপ্রেজেন্ট করছি এই জায়গাটাতে। ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে ব্যাপারটা?
ইয়েস স্যার।
এখন কি করলাম? সেকেন্ড এইখান থেকে একটা লাইট, এখান থেকে আবার একটা লাইট দিলাম, এই দিক থেকে আবার লাইট দিলাম। এদিক থেকে আবার লাইট দিলে কি হচ্ছে, এই পি আর কিউকে একটা ডট হিসাবে দেখতে পাবো। পি আর কিউকে দেখতে পাবো না, কারণ কি সেটার মধ্যে তো পুরো আমরা তো এই দিক থেকে দেখছি, মানে একটা কিউর দিক থেকে দেখছি, আমরা পির দিক থেকে তো দেখছি না। সিন্স আমরা এটাকে ডট হিসাবে পাবো। কেন পাবো? এখানে একটা থিওরি কাজ করে। থিওরিটা কি? এই থিওরি বলতে এটা একটা প্র্যাকটিক্যাল ফেনোমেনন, আমি এই করবো না। সাপোজ আমি তোমাদেরকে একটা জিনিস দিয়ে বোঝাতে চাইছি। মনে করো একটা কাঠের একটা তুমি সার্কুলার ক্রস সেকশন নিলে, ঠিক আছে? সার্কুলার ক্রস সেকশন বলতে একটা তুমি পাইপ নিলে, একটা পাইপ নিলে, পাইপটাকে উপর থেকে দেখলে তুমি কিরকম দেখতে পাবে? মনে করো পাইপটাকে উপর থেকে দেখছো, তাহলে তুমি কি দেখবে? এটাকে একটা লম্বা একটা পাইপ দেখবে, তাই তো? ইয়েস অর নো? ইয়েস।
Yes, sir.
আর যদি পাইপটাকে এদিক থেকে দেখো, এইটার কি এই এন্ডটাকে দেখতে পাবে? এদিক থেকে দেখলে এটার এই এন্ডটা কি দেখা যাবে? দেখা যাবে কি বলো? আমি যদি এদিক থেকে দেখি, এটা ক্লোজড পাইপ, যদি আমি এটাকে এদিক থেকে দেখি, তাহলে কি আমি এই এন্ডটা দেখতে পাবো? এটা কত লম্বা, কি না কি, ছোট না লম্বা না বেটে, এটা কি দেখতে পাবো? না আমি শুধু এই পয়েন্টটাকে দেখবো?
শুধু পয়েন্টটা দেখবো।
এক্স্যাক্টলি, আমরা তাহলে এই পয়েন্টটাকে দেখবো। সিমিলারলি এই লাইনে ঘটনাটাও এরকমটি হলো। কি হলো? আমরা যখন এখানের মধ্যে লাইট দিচ্ছি, তখন দেখা যাচ্ছে এই কিউ পয়েন্টটা অ্যান্ড পি পয়েন্টটা ওটা একটা পয়েন্টে এসে পড়ছে, আর এবির শ্যাডোটা ডিরেক্টলি এখানে পড়ে যাচ্ছে। তাহলে কি হবে লক্ষ্য করো, একটা পয়েন্ট আছে, পয়েন্টটা দেখাবে 7 সেন্টিমিটার ডিস্টেন্সে, আর এবিটা কত লাইনে আছে, কততে আছে? 5 সেন্টিমিটারে। এরকম করে সোজা লাইন থাকবে এবি, যেটা তোমার 5 সেন্টিমিটারে শো করবে। চলো দেখি আমরা। এখানের মধ্যে দেখতে পাচ্ছ এই এখানের মধ্যে দেখো এই লাইনটা কত আছে, এবিটা নাথিং বাট, চোখ বন্ধ করে এখানে 10 সেন্টিমিটার হবে, আর 5 সেন্টিমিটার অ্যাবাভ হবে, 5 সেন্টিমিটার অ্যাবাভ এইচপি, যেরকমটি তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ। আর পিকিউ পয়েন্টটা হবে 75 সেন্টিমিটার। ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে ব্যাপারটা?
Yes, sir. Clear.
হ্যাঁ, না এই গেল এইটা। নেক্সট হয়েছে গিয়ে আমাদের এইখানে এইটা হচ্ছে কি আজকের লাস্ট যেটা করতে হবে, একদম লাস্ট টপিক। এইখানের মধ্যে আমরা দুটো জিনিস দেখব। দুটো জিনিস বলতে একটা সাম দেখবো, সামের রেসপেক্টে আজকে হলে লাইন প্রজেকশনে আর কিছু নেই। কি যেটা বলবো সেটা একটু শোনো। দেওয়া কোশ্চেনটা নিতে পারো, কোশ্চেনটা নিয়ে তোমরা কি করবে সেটা আমি জাস্ট তোমাদের উপর ছাড়ো, তোমরা তারপর করবে একটা অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট, লাস্ট অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট এই উইকের। প্লাস এখানে একটু অ্যাডিশন হবে। অ্যাডিশন বলতে এটাকে বলি আমরা একটা নতুন টপিক, সেটা আমরা হচ্ছে কি প্রজেকশন লাইনস। প্রজেকশন লাইন, ঠিক আছে? এটা বলে আমরা প্রজেকশন লাইন। তো প্রজেকশন লাইন মানে কি? প্রজেকশন লাইন বলতে শ্যাডো লাইনও বলা হয়। Projection line means it is also termed as shadow line. So what we'll be learning is that how it works actually. Now let me give you one simple idea that will make you much more easy to understand. Now observe that this AB and AB are nothing but the projections. Or what does that means? Projection means, in other words, it means that it's a shadow. SHADOW. It means shadow. So what does that mean? That if you observe it, that AB, PQ, AB and this point all are shadows. Right or wrong? They are only the shadow. They are not any what to say, they are not at all any actual line. They are only shadows. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So if you see observe in this way, so what would happen is that you can see that they are all shadows. So you could trace a line, you could trace a line, how the shadow formed, how this above shadow is relative to this one. You could also find how this line P dash Q dash is related to the P double dash Q double dash. Now how you can do that? There are a lot of ways to do that, because I'll make you understand in this way, because this will give you a perfect understanding. Now what, as you can see, if I put a light, let me give a light that will give you a sense. If I put a light from here to here, now you could see that AB is projected downwards, this line AB is projected downwards at same length, and PQ is also projected downwards at the same length, as you can see over here, right? But you have to get it you have to keep this in mind, that it is also projecting a point just over here. PQ line is also projecting a point over here, and AB is also projecting a shadow or a line over here, as you can see over here. Fine. So the thing is that now from here to here you can draw a line. That means what do I mean is that, as you know that these two lines are fixed, they are not moving at all. So what will happen, if you see, let me draw the line, just give me a sec. Okay, just give me a sec. Okay. P, Q, and let that be A and B. So as we know, this line will project a line at the downward. If you apply a light, let me apply a light. If you apply a light from here to here, you could see a line shadow will happen over down. So let me show you a line shadow, this, and red. Okay, a line shadow over down, and another line. Another line. This is another line for PQ. This is PQ, PQ, and this is A dash, B dash. This is P dash, Q dash. Now what you can see, now try to understand that this line, the original line and the shadow line are parallel to each other. Now when you will apply a light from this manner, now what you can see, that there is one more line, there is one more dotted over here, that would be your P double dash Q double dash. As well as you can also see a line A double dash A double dash B double dash. Now here comes the magic. What the magic comes? Now try to observe the magic. What will happen is that if you see that this line is parallel to this line, as well as this line is parallel to this line, that means AB A dash B, A double dash B double dash is parallel to A dash B dash. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now what I can do?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now as you can is also you can see PQ is parallel to P dash Q dash. Now it is also parallel to, it's also parallel to the point P double dash Q double dash. So what you can do, what you can do, just let me give you one conception. As you can see, this is parallel to this one and this is parallel to this one. So what you can do, in this is all about conception. Now how you can represent it. Now from now onwards, when you drawing, most of you have done, let me tell you, most of you have done this one. So what would happen, now you can see that this line and this line, you have to draw a lighter line, and from this line and this line, this sorry, let me remove it. Just give me a sec. Okay, this will show like this. So what do you need to do now? This is what I have drawn in the in my board. Now when you will be drawing, you have to maintain one thing. What you need to maintain, there may be some questions, sir, what would be the maintain, what shall I maintain, and how to maintain it. The thing is that you need to maintain a thickness. What does that mean? Now that drawing this A dash B dash and these lines will be more thicker. It will be more thicker than this from this projection lines. Am I right to you people? Now for giving you an understanding, you have to draw this line with HB, and you have to draw this line with HB. How many of you understand what is HB? How many of you know what is HB? কারা কারা জানো HB কাকে বলে? HB কিসে, HB মানেটা কি? কেউ জানো HB মানে কি? Yes or no? আমি জানতে চাইছি HB মানে কি সেটা জানো কি কেউ?
No, sir.
তোমরা জানো? আমি বললাম তো, বললাম তোমরা জানো। কেন জানো? তোমরা নিজে জানো, নিজেই কাজটা করেছো। HB পেন্সিল, 2HB পেন্সিল দোকানে গিয়ে বলো কি, স্যার দাদা আমাকে 2HB পেন্সিল দেন। When you go for a shop,
Hard black.
yes, hard black. So that is
Hard black.
yes, this is nothing but a rate of pencil. So what you need to do, you have to buy 2 pencils. Don't buy all HB pencils. So there are buy 2 HB pencil and buy 1 HB pencil. So what you need to do, the projection line will be drawn, the projection lines will be drawn with HB, and the shadow line, that is A dash B dash, P dash Q dash, and A double dash B double dash, all these lines will be drawn in 2HB. Now this is called the projection line or shadow line, this one. Now here comes one more thing which I'll add up. This line is termed as one of the name of this line, that is the green color line. What you can see, the lines which will draw in 2HB, it is termed as construction line. This is termed as construction line. Construction line. And this blue color line, sorry, just a sec. And this blue color line is termed as projection line. So what is happening is that this is projection line, the blue color line, and the construction line. You have to remember, projection line will only be this will only be drawn with HB pencil, and construction line will be with only with 2 HB pencil. Now you may ask, sir, I don't have 2 HB pencil, I have 3 HB pencil. Correct, it will go. The thing is that there should the darkness should be different. That means construction line will be more darker than projection line. Am I clear to you people? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm wrapping with today's class, but what will happen is that I'll give you one question. Let me tell you what will be the question that you have to do. This will be the final assignment for line projection. Then we'll go for solid projection. Then we'll go for plane projection. Plane projection means while we'll be making rectangle, while we're making circle, ellipse, we'll be getting some knowledge how it does and how you can create it. Because before that there are some prerequisites or some homeworks to be done. That is I don't mean that you have to do right now homework. That is the homeworks means in terms of knowledge. You have to get some knowledge how it is done, what is the division of SHM, and what else not, how we divide it. There are some laws and there are some ways how to do, but this is not a rocket science to be worried about. It's a simple way to understand. Now what I mean to say, I'll give you one question. Now let me tell you, I'll give you one question. The question will be something like this. You could see in the classroom after a few hours, you could see the question after a few hours. Now you can see there I will be giving 2 lines. I will not increase it. There you can see there are 2 lines, this and another line, this one. Let me name the line PQ and these 2 lines intersect at an angle of 30 degrees. At an angle of 30 degrees. But let me tell you, line PQ is but the thing is that line PQ not, let me tell you, this question will be like this. Line A is point A is 7 centimeter in front of BP, and P is 5 centimeter in front of BP. Now you have to draw the projection, but the length of PQ and AB are same, and they have intersected in the center of the line. That means if it is AB is 10 centimeter, it will be 5, and if PQ is a 10 centimeter, it will be 5 centimeter. Now if you consider PQ to be 14 centimeter, it will be 7. Understood? Understood my question? Can you get my question, or shall I repeat it? বুঝতে পেরেছো কি বুঝতে পারোনি?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to draw the projection. Let me tell you, this is the last thing. You have to draw the projection, as well as you have to draw the projection line. I will give the question. I have not given the question. I have given the hint of the question. Now, though you have to draw the line projection, you have to draw the projection, as well as you have to show me with all the details, all the details that this line is projected over here, BP and HB. Fine. So there should be some shade difference in the projection line as well as in the construction line. So don't worry, we'll be doing in the next class. Try to solve it, because the person who will be solving this type of questions, the solutions, those who will be giving the maximum, those will be actively doing classes, and those who will be doing the solutions, they will be getting rewarded with marks, maximum marks. So be ready for that. Let me take your okay. Let me take your attendance. After that, you join other classes. Fine.